Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share how we can access Customily option sets. So for this you can see this is my design pages, and here I designed a male and a female character, and I use this in a pillow front end. So here you can see so many folders and headlines and backgrounds, and if we go back to folders, you can see male, single, left, female, and so many character based name. And here you can see you can see so many elements in a folder. So every folder has some elements for accessing Customily options. So if I click on another folder, you can see left female hairstyle, and here you can see some elements of hairstyle. So we need to upload them here for accessing Customily option sets. And if you're facing any problem with Customily options and Customily designs, you can DM me so that we can talk about this. And I will drop my WhatsApp and email in my description box, and hope you will understand how you have the access with the Customily option set. So you need to create a folder, and inside those folder you have to put all the elements.